2 full holes, a bunch of others started. Used 2 5 amp hour batteries and a 1.5 amp hour battery going to another 1.5. And that's all the ones I've got left. Wonder if we're going to make it. Good thing is we've got a bit of running water in the bottom, storm water, so give that a cool down. It's not so bad now. Gets really hot in the jaw there where the actual bit mates it. Oh, let's keep going. Switch down to a 13mm drill bit to continue riddling holes. Down to my last 4 amp in the pile here. Got 2 5 amps left. That's the dead battery pile. It's 2 5s, 2 4s, a 3 and 2 1.5 so far. Last full battery going on there. All of these are right through foot thick concrete, 300mm thick. And we need to just come back and with a bunch of charged batteries and turn her into chisel mode to break her out. That's it. That's all of them. The m18 CHX brushless fuel. Just toasted every one of them batteries, including 4 or 5 amps. 1, 2, 3, 4 amps, a 3 amp, and 2 1.5s. It's hot, but I can still touch it. No smoke come out of it. It didn't stop on me once, didn't falter on me once. If you're buying a serious retro hammer drill, buy one of these. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.